Twice the flow, larger internal diameter compared to standard interchanges. Push to connect couplers, easily attach your air tools. Increased efficiency, maximum torque and maximum RPM. 300 pounds per inch 2, maximum working pressure. Premium materials, 1/4 body made from nickel-plated steel with anodized aluminum sleeves. Flexzilla Pro High Flow couplers and plugs allow twice the flow to your air tools compared to standard interchanges. Connect Flexzilla High Flow fittings from your tool all the way to the compressor. This ensures the best performance your air system can provide. For maximum efficiency, use Flexzilla Pro High Flow. Don't starve your air tool. Larger internal diameter equals twice the flow. Push to connect system. Maximum torque. Maximum RPM. Best performance. Increased efficiency. Ideal for spray guns and impact tools or any high output tool. Color, Zilla Green. Top reviews from the United States. Works daily. Use with Flexzilla air hose. Abuse them daily and they keep going.